Hi, my name is GILBERT and I'm from the course of AM1101A, which is Public Administrations from the campus of UiTM Cawangan Sarawak campus Kota Samarahan 2. And today I would like to carry out my assessment 3, which is the project about the subject CSC134. And in this video, I would like to highlight 3 main things about the topic 9, which is security, privacy, ethics, and also ergonomic. And the 3 issues that I would like to highlight on is ways to protect our computer security. Next one will be have concerns of computer use that we should know. And then last but not least, it will be careers in IT. And first of all, I would like to explain more regarding ways to protect our computer security, which is the first thing that you should know is that I already categorized it into 2, which is restricting access, and the next one will be encryptions. When it comes to the restricted access, there are 2 types of things that we can do, which is biometric scanning, which is for example like fingerprint or even iris, which is your eye scanner. And then the next one that you should know is that it actually relies on the unique biological characteristic of an individual to verify that he is who he says he is. And not to mention that this authentication system will only compare a biometric data and capture it to store confirmed authentic data in a database. And for the part of passwords, for your information, is actually just a string of characters, which is a very unique combination of characters such as letters for the alphabets or numbers, which can only be identified by one specific user because it's the one that created the passwords. And these 2 ways are quite common among us because it can be implemented in our smartphones and also our laptop and so on. And then the next one will be encryptions. Well, encryption is actually just coding information to make it unreadable, which is accept to those who have the encryption key. And for example, which is for example like email encryptions that only protects the email, or even the file encryptions that only protects the files. And the next one that you should know is that have concerns when it comes to the computer use. And the first thing that we should know is that there are all sorts of health concerns that we should know, which is some of them are related to our hands, our muscles, and also our eyes. And the first thing that I would like to highlight on is that repetitive strain injury, which is for example like wrist tendinitis and also carpal tunnel syndrome, which is CTS. And the next one, it will be muscle and also joint problems, which can actually be caused by the bad posture and also for sitting for such a long period of time. And this kind of activities, it can lead to us to having a little more, which is to reduce our circulation of blood to our muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments. And sometimes it can lead to stiffness and also pain. And the next one, which is the last one that I would like to highlight on, is that eye fatigue. For your own information, there are a lot of symptoms when it comes to eye fatigue, which is for example like blurred visions, temporary inability to see or to focus on a faraway objects, and also the headaches. Well, there are much more effect when it comes to the health concerns actually. And then the next one, it will be the career in IT. Outside of the things that I cover for this video, there are actually much more careers that we can explore more. And in this video, I will just highlight on 3, which is system engineer, software engineer, and last but not least, it will be database manager. System engineer is actually someone that only maintain and also support a company's technical infrastructure, including the system, hardware, or software. And the next one, it will be database manager, and it support and maintain a firm's database environment and helping them, which is the companies, to use the data more strategically to meet their business goals. And last but not least, it will be software engineer, which is they are someone that design and create the engineering specs for both applications and also the software. That's all for me, and my name is GILBERT, and I'm from the course of AM10, which is campus Kota Samarahan 2. Thank you very much.